click run. Okay, perfect. Now it's done everything. Go back to your database and here we have this new line. Okay, this is a link here. So we're gonna copy this and here we have. Okay, this is a website or a client, and that's all. This is the phone number and its address. Okay, here we have. Hi everyone. Today, we're to look into how you can scrape anything in minutes. Okay, well, here we have a flowchart. Basically, we want to scrape some businesses. In this case, we're gonna use Apify. It's a great platform that you can use for scrape anything that you want. Okay, well, and literally minutes you can scrape anything and save in your database. When I have this, I wanna start to create it. Go back and wanna start from scratch. Okay, create a new scenario, and here when I use the module of Apify. Okay, but first of all, let me explain you this platform. When you and go here and say Apify, we wanna go here. You can create your account. It's free, and when you go into here, you go to your account, and you have here some stores and some actors. Basically, you go here to store, and you can hear a lot of scrapers. You can scrape Facebook, you can scrape Instagram, TikTok, anything that you want. And the actors will make the job. In our case, we're gonna use Google Maps. Okay. We're gonna use this module here, Google Map Scraper. The thing is that we're gonna have some information of businesses and save in our database. Okay, that's the reason we're gonna use using this. So go here, Google Map Scraper, and here we have. I'm gonna use this example on a look for information about restaurants, the place or location, New York, and here the limit and the number of places. I wanna choose 3. Okay, I wanna have 3 results, and well, that's all. I think that that's all you don't need to know. And a line of code. It's so easy. In this case, only when you have this, it's perfect. Okay, then you go here, JSON part in this case, and you only need to copy this. Copy, okay, and go back to make the com, and here we're gonna add the module Apify. We have here Apify. Choose this, and here we're gonna run an actor. Okay. What you have here, you need to create your account in Apify. What you have here, you only need to add, and you need the API token. For this, you go here and only need to go here, go to settings, and you can have your Apify. Just copy this and go again to make the com. And when you add, paste and save, and that's all. It's so easy. You can make this connection. Okay, perfect. All right. In my case, I'm using this, and now You can choose your actor here. In this case, it's Google Places the actor, and I'm gonna activate synchronously. It's important because I want to have an order when I have the results. Okay, now input JSON. In this part, again, we have here the actors. We have Google Map Scraper, JSON. We're gonna copy this. Okay, copy and came here. But here, take care because we need to paste of different weight. Only it's not a paste. Here have the secret, okay? When I paste as a plain text, it's important, okay? Here we have, and that's all. Click OK. When you have here, now you need to collect all this data. That's the reason that we're gonna add a new module here. It's get data set. And here in this part, when I select data set ID, so it's so easy here. Go to search items and type data set ID, and it's this. Okay, click here, and that's all. Perfect. Now I'm gonna add a new module here because we have the data here. We collect all the data, and now we're gonna add a new module. It's an array aggregator. We're gonna add this module because we're gonna have all this information that we will have from different pages. We're gonna use in only a single line in this case, and then we're gonna save in our database. Okay, so here that's the reason that I'm using this module. I'm now set up this module. Source module here is Apify get data set items from this previous module. Okay, now that's all, and I'm gonna select all. Okay, I'm gonna select this. I want this information and click OK. Perfect. Now I'm gonna make a task here. So I'm gonna click run once. Run anyway. You know it takes some minutes because it's looking for this information in Google. So here we have. It's taking the moment. Okay. It's easy. We have this case and we have all the information that we're looking for. Okay, now is the important part of this. Okay, it's almost done. Okay, here we have. Oh, come on, it's done. Now, when I see here, and we have this. This is the input, and this is the output. Okay, the information. In this case, the result. 3 options. Now, when I add the last module, and when I save this information in our database, you can use a Google Sheets if you want. But in this case, I'm gonna use an Airtable. Okay, and here I need to here create a record. Okay, and this way, the same thing, you can go and type Airtable. Go here. It's easy. It's free. You can create your account here. Okay, and create a new, in this case, workspace. In your case, I'm using this workspace. Okay, the name of this is Scrape Business, and I'm using here these fields, and I'm gonna collect the information from here for here, website, phone, and address. If you want more information, you can add another fields here, okay? Well, so in this case, I'm gonna set up this Airtable module. The base, you wanna choose the name is Great Business. Here, the table one, okay? And here, we're gonna complete the dates here. Type here website, okay? It doesn't appear here. Well, maybe it's no problem here. I'm not go here and take care of this. I'm gonna make a new test here. Select all. Sometimes if it's a problem, take care you need to select all. Okay. Alright. And I'm on the wrong again. Okay, no problem here. Just wait few minutes. Okay, it's almost done. Perfect. Now we have the result. Okay. Now go here. So website here you have. Okay, website. The phone. The phone. And the address. Here we have. Perfect. Alright. Click OK. Well, that's all. Now we have here our database and we're gonna add and run another. Okay, we have everything here. It's perfect. Now the final test. We're gonna click run. Again, you need to wait only few minutes. Okay, here we go. Okay, perfect. Now it's done everything. Go back to your database and you have this new line. Okay, this is a link here. So we're gonna copy this and we're gonna look for here. And here we have. Okay, this is a website or a client, and that's all. This is the phone number and its address. Okay, here we have. Perfect. So, well, that's all. Remember, you can scrape anything, okay? And in limited times. In this case, I'm using this platform called Apify because it's will a well-known platform they can use and scrape anything. In our case, I'm scraping only with fields, but if you want, in the next videos, I'm gonna show you how to you can scrape and get more data, okay? Such as Facebook, TikTok, LinkedIn, anything you want. You can go here and scrape. Now, I'm using this Airtable as a database, but you can use Google Sheet or another platform. You can connect with another modules. Remember, you have bunch of possibilities that you can add new modules. Well, I think that's all. This is a simple tutorial here how you can scrape businesses, and well, I think that's all. So I think that I hope this was helpful for you, and remember, stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.